If you have an L99 or if you have a DOD, displacement on demand, 4 of the cylinders are going to shut off, and there's always a bad reaction when that happens. It basically, in time, will kill the valve springs, the lifters. Something's going to break and cause a catastrophic failure. Before that happens, go to Livernois Motorsports and get yourself the DOD Delete Kit. It's going to come with everything you need to turn that car basically into an LS3 with LS3 style lifters, 16 of them, with the buckets, the MyCalibrator, the cam, new ARP head studs, hardened push rods, the cam gear, and the chain, along with new head gaskets to be able to do a proper job of removing the DOD and putting in what you want as far as an LS3 goes. You can go factory if you have a G8 or an L99 Camaro. You can go stage 2. That's going to come with upgraded springs, complement the upgraded camshaft. So before you guys have a catastrophe by having the DOD go out, take care of it, nip it in the bud, and give yourself an upgrade as well by going to Livernois Motorsports.